MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm standing on a brand new brokerage listing, and this is a 2007 Robalo 225 walk around. And what a great boat, great shape. This is a great boat for young families. You want to get out on the water. You've got the cabin to put the children in out of the weather, or your wife. And just a great place to go. You've got a head and low hours, great electronics, great trolling motor. I'm going to tell you more about that in just a moment. But let's start right here at the back. We've got a 225 four-stroke Honda, and she's in up-to-date service, doing really well. You'll see the pictures as I go along in this walkthrough, the access to the battery switches, the access to the batteries for the trolling motor system, 36 volt. And but let's stop right here and go to the helm and look at the electronics. I wanted to point out at the helm one thing that is very, very unusual for a boat like this. It has an autopilot, and it is a remote autopilot, so it works through your electronics to the Honda motor, and that is very unusual. So you can take it off, put it around your neck, you've got the autopilot for your boat. Put in your point ways, and then you're ready to go. So I wanted to point that out. Now let's look at the rest of the helm. At the helm here on this 225 walk around Robalo, we've got great electronics, starting with the C80 Ray Marine. You've got the combo, and then you've got the Ray Marine Dragonfly over here that primarily the user and the owner of the boat now uses primarily for fish finder. And then you've got a brand new Simrad just added this past year for GPS, fish finder, whatever you wanted to do. And while we're talking about electronics, also we've got the VHF radio up here, and everything is functional, everything works great. And I want to tell you about the Minn Kota trolling motor, the 36 volt system. And as I'm talking about it, our videographer Andy is going to show you the pictures of where all those batteries are, and it's just in a really good place and very compact. But this is the auto deploy 36 volt marine saltwater Minn Kota with a remote control. So you got autopilot, you got all of those features on this great thing, and you can do it. Here's the remote right here, so you can stand anywhere on this boat back here fishing, and you can operate with a hand remote, that auto deploy Minn Kota. And it's great. It'll hold this boat right in place for you. Does a great job. The electronics are telling me that I'm sitting still and I'm not getting any signal on the radar, so that's what that beeping was. Everything's working really good. Your eyesing glass is in good shape. Right now it's just the salt residue has blown onto it, but you've got a full enclosure here, and then up here you've got all your life jackets. There is a zip bag up there as well, and you'll see that. This is the area back here where this back bench is. It folds up, the whole area comes up, and you can see the battery switches and the batteries for the boat, for the motor. Over to my left, as we were talking about electronics, that is an automatic recharge and charging plug. So the boat just has great, the upholstery is in great shape. The owner, when he's not using the boat, all the upholstery is taken inside and put in his garage. So as you can see, as a 2007, this is a great beginning boat for a young family or anybody else that wants a boat with a cabin, and a great offshore boat as well. The cabin, and if you can just show in there, is in really great shape. Again, all the upholstery is in really good condition. This is a one-owner boat, and he's done really great things with the boat, kept it in great shape. And the Minn Kota was installed last year. The Simrad was installed in 2019 as well. This is a great boat at a great price. So any questions, anything you'd like to see, I'd love to show you this boat personally. Give me a call at MarineMax. My number is 850-527-5645. And this is Bob Fowler with a great 2007 Robalo 225 walk around. Looking to hear from you. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day.